Living in High Springs means enjoying warm sunshine, mild winters, and beautiful natural surroundings. But Florida's climate also brings heat, humidity, and sudden temperature swings that can make indoor comfort a challenge. One of the most effective ways homeowners can create a more comfortable living space year-round is by installing energy-efficient windows. These modern windows do far more than just look good, they directly impact how your home feels every day. Consistent indoor temperatures, all year long. One of the biggest comfort benefits of energy-efficient windows is their ability to maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Traditional windows often allow heat to enter during hot summer months and escape during cooler evenings. This leads to rooms that feel stuffy, drafty, or uneven in temperature. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced insulation features that help regulate heat transfer. By keeping unwanted heat out and cooled air in, these windows make it easier for your home to stay at a comfortable temperature without constant thermostat adjustments. In High Springs, where summers can be long and hot, this consistency can make a noticeable difference in everyday comfort. Reduced hot spots and cold drafts. Have you ever noticed certain rooms in your home feel warmer than others, especially those with large windows or lots of sun exposure? Energy-efficient windows help reduce these hot spots by minimizing solar heat gain. Specialized coatings reflect excess heat while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. At the same time, improved sealing and insulated glass prevent cool air from leaking out. This means no more chilly drafts near windows during cooler months or early mornings. The result is a more balanced and comfortable environment in every room. Improved humidity control. Humidity is a major factor in how comfortable a home feels, especially in Florida. Excess moisture can make indoor air feel heavy, sticky, and uncomfortable. Energy-efficient windows help reduce humidity issues by creating a better seal against the outside air. By limiting moisture infiltration, these windows help your cooling system manage indoor humidity more effectively. This not only improves comfort but also helps protect your home from issues like condensation, mold growth, and damage to furniture or flooring. Quieter, more peaceful living spaces. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about peace and quiet. Many energy-efficient windows feature multi-pane glass and insulated frames that significantly reduce outside noise. Whether it's traffic, neighborhood activity, or lawn equipment, these windows help keep unwanted sounds outdoors. For High Springs homeowners who value a calm, relaxing home environment, the sound-reducing benefits of energy-efficient windows can be just as important as temperature control. Better comfort near windows. Older windows often make sitting near them uncomfortable due to temperature fluctuations or drafts. With energy-efficient windows, the glass stays closer to room temperature, even during extreme weather. This makes areas near windows more usable and enjoyable throughout the year. You can place furniture near windows without worrying about heat buildup or cold air, giving you more flexibility in how you use your living space. A healthier, more enjoyable home. When your home maintains steady temperatures, balanced humidity, and reduced drafts, overall comfort improves, and so does your quality of life. Energy-efficient windows help create an indoor environment that feels more pleasant, inviting, and healthy for your family. For High Springs homeowners looking to enhance everyday comfort while adapting to Florida's climate, energy-efficient windows are a smart and lasting improvement. They don't just upgrade your home's appearance, they transform how your home feels, season after season.